Tomorrow, find that girl. We walk up to her and be like, meow.
This is what the Starbucks logo would look like from behind. This is her tail and it is spread wide open. Now I have to warn you.
We'll catch up on the damn.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
Ben, I hope I'm calling you at a good time this evening. Okay, that's good. Have you gathered more potential clients for this year's Q4?
No.
We're gonna need you to do that or we're gonna have to let you go because this is really serious business we're talking about here. This is not funny. This is not a joking matter. I really need you to lock in because money is on the line.
Yeah.
Thank you. So in order to get it, like I said, in order to get, can you shut?
Блять, if you crash car into electric pole, пиздец, сука. You try to get out, electricity fucks you up, блять. Of course, you grab metal door in brown shoes, пиздец. Power go from hood to door and you shake like you sucking dick, блять. But real way, jump. I jump nice and clean. Shop, foot together and walk like this. Shop, 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 and you survive, say.